What's up, guys? Sean with Able Company Arms here. Going to do a quick review on the Switchblade by Eberlestock. This is a everyday carry bag. I purchased this with my own money. I am not being sponsored. Nobody sent this to me. So this is unbiased completely. I've really been wanting a EDC bag to carry my rifle in for a while now. I've got a real nice Pelican case, rifle case, but sometimes you just don't want to lug a big ass case to the range. So I thought I'd give one of these a try. I've never used one before. I've seen people with them. I really admired the bag, so I thought I'd give it a go. Did a bunch of research, reviews, and this bag just stuck out to me more than any of the other ones. This bag is, I got it in OD green. It comes in multiple colors. If you get it in one of the military colors, OD green, black, faded dark earth, it comes with the patch on the front or a place to put a patch. If you get one of the blues, yellows, some of the crazy colors they offer, it does not come with a spot for a patch on the front. This bag has all kinds of compartments on it. I'll go over with you. But the main reason I got it was just to carry my rifle. So we'll start off with the front. You've got real nice molly webbing on the sides and the front, as well as a couple of spots for your water bottles. I really don't like these on bags, especially like Mystery Ranch bags, because they seem so big and cheap looking. These come with real nice drawstrings, so you can suck them in nice to the bag. It's not hanging out, it doesn't look cheap. So also you've got some nice compartments on the side if you want to store anything for quick access. Got one on each side, and you've got one on the front that's a pretty good sized compartment to put anything you want. Alright, going to the back. I really like the back of this bag. Usually I like a real slim bag. I don't like any padding on the back. This padding works out real well though. It's like a gel insert padding. Feels real good on your back. I've been carrying this as an actual backpack to work for the last couple weeks, and I ride my motorcycle to work, carry a bag on my back. This hasn't bothered me at all. It sits real comfortable on your back, especially with weight in it. It also has a real nice feature with molly webbing on the back where you could raise or lower your straps. If you're going to use this to ruck or anything, you want to try to get your weight up higher on your back, you could do that. Alright, going on the inside, first thing we got, the top compartment is really nice. It's got a couple slots for extra magazines. Unfortunately, it only has 2 slots for magazines. Plenty of other places to put magazines in here, but inside it's got 2 actual mag pouches with nice straps to keep your mags in, some pin compartments, and a couple other small compartments. Now for the main compartment, the real reason I got this bag is the way it's set up. You got 2 zippers on the back. You pull them and you can actually pull the whole front of this down. These zippers are real nice. They're easy to pull. I got a Mystery Ranch bag and a Tac Taylor bag that sometimes is a pain in the ass to pull, but these pull really nice. You can lay the whole front of the bag open. Real nice soft fleece type material on the inside of the bag. It's got molly webbing on the front pouch, so I've got a suppressor pouch put on. And you've got 2 main compartments and then the outside to store stuff. So like in one compartment you can put a laptop. I keep my iPad in here. And then in the back compartment where you can put your rifle. Now, they say 20 inches is the height for the bag, is what's listed on their website. My rifle comes in with a law folding stock adapter and a SureFire war comp at 20.5 inches. This is a 300 blackout with 9-inch barrel. Now, if I didn't have the law folding stock adapter, obviously it wouldn't fit in here. And I will put with the SureFire war comp, it comes in really snug. If it was another 1/2 inch, I wouldn't be able to fit it in here. If you had a regular bird cage on here though, you could probably get up to at least a 10.3, maybe an 11.5 inch barrel on your rifle would definitely fit in here. Some gripes I have about this though. So they've got a nice strap here on the top. So if you took the rifle and put it in this way, with the buttstock going in and the barrel facing up, it's a little hard to wiggle in. But once you get it in, you can use this strap to secure your barrel. But like I said, it is a little snug fitting it in there. It slides in, but there's no pulling it out with ease. My main gripe is if you store it like everybody shows when they do pics or post videos, is they put it barreled down. Well, my biggest problem with doing barrel down is that soft fleece material inside the bag is all that's on the bottom of this compartment to hold it in. And I feel like if you carry your rifle like this for a long time, especially with something like the SureFire War Comp that's not a closed-time bird cage, it's eventually just going to rip a hole right through that. Now the bag would still be good. The bottom is very durable, very tough material, and this compartment that your rifle goes into, when it hits this fleece bottom, there's another 4 or 5 inches below that. So if you had a longer rifle and just set it on the top instead of using those back compartments, you could definitely fit an 11.5-inch barrel in here if you had a law folding stock adapter or some sort of folding stock. I'm not trying to advertise law folding stock adapters. It is definitely my favorite though. If you haven't checked them out, take a look at them. So overall, I'm happy with the bag. I just, a couple things I wish they'd take care of would be a little sturdier material at the bottom of the weapon pouch, for sure. And the way this bag is set up, it's not really wide at the bottom like a regular 3-day assault pack would be. So there is no standing this up. It'll just fall over. Now, if you're leaning up against something, it sits fine. If you're leaning up against something and you got a wood floor, it's going to slide out and lay down. So if you're looking for a bag that needs to stand up, this might not be for you unless you load the bottom with something that's going to keep the base of this bag pretty sturdy. It's just not going to work. The last thing I want to show you guys, which is really neat, there is one big compartment in the back of this bag. It's got an entry point from each side, and they use rare earth magnets to keep it closed. If you can see that on the video. If you get on their website and check them out, you get better shots of it. But the whole point of this is for a concealed carry pouch. That is a real cool option to throw in, except one more gripe for you. It's just a big open compartment. There's nothing in there where you could maybe put a holster in there or a makeshift holster, or they could have put an adjustable strap in there for you for different size pistols. Now I've got a Glock 19X, fits in there just fine. I've tried my 1911s, fit in there just fine. And it's a really nice compartment. It's got that fleece lining in it, but there's just nothing to hold your gun in place, so it may move around in there, which isn't really ideal if you're keeping it for a conceal. Also, when you have this bag on your back, it is really accessible to just reach in and pull your pistol out. So that's a pretty nice feature as well. So anyway, that's all I got on the bag. Let me know what you guys thought. I really love the bag. Like I said, I'm not being sponsored by them or anything. I just wanted to share with you guys my first EDC bag. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe to our channel. We're a new channel, so we're trying to get as many subscribers as possible and get you guys good content at least once a week, if not more. Once again, I'm Sean with Able Company Arms, and I really appreciate you watching.